2, 3, hit it!
Hiya loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lewis Jackson, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. Today I created this beautiful halo eye, and I hope you enjoy the process of me doing it. And yeah, enjoy. Right then guys, jumping straight in, I am taking my paint pot from MAC and applying that all over my eyelids. After I've finished applying it, I'm going to use my finger to just dab it and blend it into my eye sockets. Then taking this orange shade, I'm going to apply that all into my crease and blend it out. I then took this red shade from a separate palette and added that into the crease. I then went back in with my previous brush, which still had some of the orange product on, and added that back into it a little bit too. I then took this dark cranberry shade on a smaller brush and added that into the crease for definition. Then taking the orange shade again and blending that into the crease to blend everything together. Then going back in with the dark cranberry shade, I'm going to add this to the inner and the outer part just to darken it up. Now just a little bit of blending. I then took my concealer and added the halo in. I then took this gold shade and set that concealer. I then took this shimmer shade and added that into the middle of the eye. And then I went back in with the dark cranberry shade just to blend them together so it's a little bit less harsh. And then taking a dark black eyeshadow to darken up the outer and the inner corners. And then a little bit of blending. And then I caught you up by doing my other eye off camera. I then took my loose pigment from MAC and put that in the middle of the eye as well, just to really make it pop. I then blended out the sides of the halo eye again, just to make it less harsh, yet again. Then adding the dark shade again, just to add some more definition and darkness. I then did my foundation, contour, blush, highlighter off camera, just to save some time. And I am now going in with a white matte eyeshadow just to highlight my brow bone, and after that I will take a white shimmer shade to highlight too. Then taking a mixture of the previous colours I used on my eyes, just to put it all underneath my eyes. I then just cleaned up the crease a little bit where the pigment had spread. I then curled my lashes and did my eyebrows off camera, and then also applied mascara. I then lined my waterline with a black pencil, which I always forget. I tried to do my lashes on camera, but it went terribly wrong and I couldn't do it, so here I am just editing them. I then cleaned my lips and did my lip liner and lipstick. Then taking some tissue and doing this little trick. And then setting spray. And that is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and talk through, and if you liked it then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all very, very soon. Thank you.